Hi guys, good evening. For today's video, meron tayong i-review guys. Meron tayong wine dito from Budapest, Hungary. Niregalo to ng friend ng sister-in-law ko. So, i-review natin. Mag-wine tasting tayo. So, ito yung brand niya. Okay, open muna natin. So, parang papahirapan ka muna guys bago mainom tong wine na to. Actually, ito lang naman tatanggalin mo guys. And di ko sure kung iikot lang ba to. Oh yes, ganoon lang, iikot lang pala siya guys. Oop! That's it! Guys, in fairness, masarap siya. Parang medyo may konting kagat, pero swabing-swabe lang pag ininom mo. Tsaka ang bango, guys. So that's it, guys. Thank you.